Hello, my name is Reddy, and I am the director of TEPHINET, the global network of field epidemiology training programs, or FETPs, based in the United States. Bienvenidos, bienvenidos, and bienvenue to our friends and colleagues across the Americas region.
And I am Kathleen Laberge, the director of the Canadian Field Epidemiology Program based at the Public Health Agency of Canada. We are excited to be co-organizers of the 11th TEPHINET Regional Conference of the Americas.
On behalf of TEPHINET, I would like to invite you to register for the conference. Through 32 oral and poster presentations, you will hear about the outstanding work done by FETPs across the Americas in disease surveillance, outbreak investigation, and public health emergency response. You will also have the opportunity to strengthen your professional skills by participating in a pre-conference workshop or interactive learning session on October 19th. Check the conference agenda to see and register for available sessions.
We are also excited to feature plenary sessions on health and vaccine equity, mental health and resilience, evaluation and implementation science, and Indigenous communities' response to COVID-19. Finally, while travel is still limited due to the pandemic, we invite you to take advantage of the networking opportunity provided by the conference to meet other field epidemiology professionals doing amazing work across our region.
On behalf of TEPHINET, I hope you will join us.
And on behalf of the Canadian Field Epidemiology Program, we hope to meet you online from October 19 to 21. The registration deadline is October 13 for pre-conference workshops and October 15 for the conference. Don't miss it.
Adios and hasta pronto.
We look forward to seeing you at the conference. À très bientôt.